In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and edit card descriptions in Trello. If you're using Trello, you probably already know how powerful it is for organizing tasks, projects, and ideas. But when it comes to writing clear and effective card descriptions, it can be easy to overlook the details that make all the difference. Well, not to worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create detailed and highly organized descriptions that keep your team on the same page. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.trello.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. After that, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred sign-in method. You can use your email, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Pick whichever option works best for you. If you're logging in with your email, simply type in your email address and password, then click the Login button. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. From here, find the board that contains the card you want to update. Boards are the larger containers that hold all your lists and cards, so go ahead and click on the one you need. Once your board is open, locate the card that requires an updated description. Click on the card to open its details. This will bring up a window where you can view and edit everything related to that card. Now, find the description section within the card. The description field is where you can add all the key details your team might need. To begin, simply click into the description field. This will allow you to start typing. When writing your description, start with a brief summary of the goal. Think of this as the headline or overview that quickly tells anyone what the card is about. Next, add any necessary context. This might include background information, details about stakeholders, or any constraints that need to be considered. If there are specific timelines or due dates tied to the task, make sure to include them as well. This will help ensure everyone is aware of important deadlines. Additionally, you can link to any relevant documents, design files, or reference pages that might help your team complete the task more efficiently. To keep your description clear and easy to read, consider breaking it into short paragraphs or using labels like summary, requirements, or resources. This makes the information more digestible and helps team members find what they need at a glance. When you're happy with your description, look for the Save button or the small check mark near the description field. Click it to store your changes. If you ever need to update the description later, simply return to the same field, click into it, make your edits, and save again. Trello makes it easy to keep things up to date as your project evolves. And that's it. Writing and editing card descriptions in Trello is a simple but powerful way to enhance your team's productivity and communication. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.